Well, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you as an Uber and a Lyft driver could potentially get scammed by a passenger. You definitely want to watch this video all the way through to make sure that as a driver, you're aware of these so that you don't get scammed. I mean, there's a really unfortunate problem that a lot of passengers a lot of people are targeting rideshare drivers, taking advantage of them, taking their hard-earned money. So please thumbs up the video to help spread this so you and other people cannot get scammed. It helps out tremendously. Before I get started, I want to thank our sponsor, Current. Current is a new mobile banking app that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers up to 2 days faster, no fees, no account minimums, no credit checks. There are also no overdraft fees when you go negative up to $200, which is great. You can get cash back on your gas fill-ups. You can get a free debit card. You can also earn 4% APY, which is really great. And they also have over 40,000 ATMs across the nation where there's no fees. Check out Current down below. I use Current and I already signed up and started using it and testing it out. And as you can see here, I just deposited $1,000 just to make sure. I'm starting to earn interest. I've earned 40 cents. Keep you guys up to date, but it's working great for me. I love it. Check out Current down below, and now let's get started with these scams, okay? This is what you really came for. I know you guys comment down below. Skip to 107, skip to 114. Whatever it is right now, tell them down below, guys. Save them your time. How Uber and Lyft drivers get scammed by passengers. This is an article written by a man named Harry Campbell. Harry Campbell from the Rideshare Guy. Check him out. He's a great guy. This is on his website called MaximumRidesharingProfits.com. Shout out to you guys. Check them out. And now let's read this. Almost every passenger you'll pick up is trustworthy, and the way that Uber and Lyft design their apps make it hard for either passengers or drivers to pull off a scam. Well, Harry, I don't know if that's true because there's a lot of scams going on, and they make it pretty easy for passengers and drivers to scam. Let's be real here. So, the first one we're talking about is people impersonating an Uber or Lyft employee to ask for your passengers. So a lot of times, when you accept a ride, you know, your passenger can call you to tell you where your pickup location is. Instead, they'll call you and say, "Hi there, we work for Uber and we want to give you a $10 Uber bonus. You just need to confirm your sign-in information with me." That's a scam, brother. They're gonna sign into your account and take your hard-earned money. All right, the next one. Ride theft. That's when you pull up to a pickup location and you say, "Hey, are you Beatrice?" And you know, some random lady's like, "Yes, I am Beatrice." Meanwhile, she's Patricia. And she just gets in, gets a free ride. And that person, the real rider, is gonna report that ride. You could potentially lose your job, get deactivated, and then this random lady, B-word, gets a free ride. So that's why you wanna pull up and say, "What's your name?" Or "What's the name associated with the account?" That way they, you know, tell you what their name is. Bringing too many passengers for the ride type. So if you have a SUV, you know you can have 4 passengers, 3 passengers, whatever. They try to squeeze in extra people. That's a scam because they're scamming you out of, you know, not getting an XL or getting 2 cars. Let's see. Surge fraud. Surge fraud basically is where they change the pickup location in an area that's cheaper, but they're not even in that area. So once you accept it, they're actually getting a ride from the surge area, but they're escaping it. Canceling mid-ride. This one's actually very common. A lot of passengers will, you know, these are usually common on really long trips. They'll go in, get a 50-mile ride, and after 10 miles, they'll cancel it. So that way Uber prorates the ride, and you know, after you do the 50-mile ride, you're like, "Wait, I only got 14 bucks for that? That seems really low." And then you realize, well, they canceled it midway through. So those are the most common scams. Those are 8 of the most common scams. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Please look out, make sure you review these, send them to your friends. You don't want to get scammed. And sign up for Current using my link below. Get paid up to 2 days faster, no overdraft up to $200, 4% APY on your savings, which is incredible, over 100 times higher than the national average, or 40 times higher. I don't know. The national average is really low. Oh, it's less than 0.1%. And yeah, anyways, check it out down below. Otherwise, let me know your thoughts. Have you been scammed? And are there any other ones that I missed? Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye now.